Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am gonna be doing a room tour and it is the Regis Kris Hotel Suite room. So if you're interested to know how the room looks like, then just keep on watching. This is actually my second time booking in this hotel. And I came back because like the hotel is very nice. It is a 5-star hotel. With the price that it has right now, I think it is very affordable. Originally, I booked for a superior double room, which is a little smaller than this room, but they didn't anymore have availability of those room, even though I've booked like ahead of time. So they upgraded my room to the suite room again. So that's why I'm back here again. But it's really nice because I have this huge space and this is a really nice hotel with very good facilities. So I really like it. So I am right now on their website and I'm just gonna tell you very quickly like the features of this room. So the room features its size, which is 77 square centimeters. This is for the suite room. And then I think the double room is 44 square centimeters. So it has a king size bed, a living area, sofa, and coffee table. There is free high-speed Wi-Fi, which I can really attest to that because their Wi-Fi here is really fast. And there is an in-room safe, mini bar, room management control system. There's a private bathroom with shower and bathtub, air conditioning, tea and coffee making facilities, hair dryer, iron, and iron board. There is a working desk. There is a 24-hour room service as well, flat screen TV, and sitting area. So those are all the features of this room, which is for the price which you're paying, is a very good deal. So let's get right into the video. So right when you enter the room, you will actually see the view of the full room. So let's start with this side first. So right when you enter, you will immediately see like some cabinets over here, and there is also like a dressing area on this side. There is a chair on this part where you can put, I think, your stuff or whatever. Let's check this cabinet. You can hang your clothes here. They have like an iron and like an iron stand. They also have like a bathroom, and there is also like an extra pillow on the top. So that is what's inside that cabinet. And on the other cabinet, it's still the same. And there is like a safe. They have stuffs over here and slippers. The cabinets are empty. So yeah, and right over here is like a dresser area where you can do your makeup, and there is like a small chair over there. The drawers doesn't have anything. It's empty. This actually like stands like as a divider between like the bed and the washroom. So right opposite this one is the washroom, and I really love their washroom because it's very spacious. And what I love about this room is that it has a lot of mirrors. There are a lot of lightings as well. So yeah, so right over here they have like a shower area. There is a towel and a bathrobe as well. That is the area where you do your thing. Beside it is the sink, which is very spacious also. See how spacious it is. It has a couple of bottles of water, 2 glasses, tissue. This is the soap. They have like a blower and some lights on the top. And on this right side, there is like a hand towel. Again, another, no, it's not a soap, it's a shower cap, and all of the toiletry stuff that is there. Conditioner, shampoo, shower gel, and there is like also a hand towel over here. And onto the right side is where the bathtub is. And right beside the bathtub is also a very big mirror. So they really have a lot of mirrors, and there is one towel over here. So yeah, it's very nice. It's a very spacious bathroom. Let's proceed over here where the bed is. So when you come over here, you immediately see the bed, and this is how it looks like. It's very huge. So again, here beside the bed is another dressing area. It's actually like a divider, as I've said earlier. It's a divider between like this area where you can change clothes and here where you can relax. So let's look up close this side table. They have a lamp, one water, and here is a thing where you can like adjust the lights, the AC alarm, if you want to turn it off. On the other side of the table, there is like a phone, a lamp, and another water. They actually have two phones over here. This is the other phone. If that's the door, then there is another table over here with the chair, but I think I'm gonna move the chair later on to the other side. So while you're on the bed, then you can watch the TV. It says like some welcome and the remote. And what I actually wanted to tell you is that the last time I stayed here, I was looking for like a menu of their food because I wanted to buy like from the restaurant, but they don't have like a physical menu. It's on the TV. So if you actually want to order from them, then you can use the remote, go to that channel where there is like the menu, and you can like view it from there. So right beside the television, you have like the coffee area. They have 2 cups, 1 water heater, some coffee, sugar, like the basic stuff they provide. And here is like a bar area, but there is no wine here. There is like a refrigerator, a small refrigerator, which you can store your drinks. And over here is where the glasses are. And opposite to the minibar is where there is like sofa where you can like sit and relax. So the sofa is right next to the bed. So see the setup is, and it's very spacious. If I take the video from here, it would look like that. It's very nice. And of course the view, I actually opened up the curtains so the room would have more lighting. So this is the view outside, like the buildings and stuff. But whenever it like turns into the night, you will see like a nice view of the lights and all that, the skyline. So yeah. So that is it for the room tour, guys. I know Dubai right now is slowly opening its doors to tourists. So if you're looking into booking in a hotel and you are curious about this hotel, so I hope this video will help you out. Please give this video a thumbs up and share them to your friends if you find this video helpful. Please support this channel by subscribing, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you will be notified every time I do an upload. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!